Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can update your Waterfox web browser, for example, to fix various performance issues or to simply have the most recently released version of Waterfox installed on your device, like your desktop computer or laptop, for example. So let's dive into this. So guys, all you need to do is navigate to your browser settings here in Waterfox, click into these three lines in the top right and select settings. Here inside your browser settings, switch to the General tab, and here scroll all the way down till you get to the Waterfox updates, and here you will see your current version. And if that's the case, guys, you may also see a notification below like Waterfox is up to date, which is the case for the version I am using. But you can of course prompt or give Waterfox the command to check for updates by clicking into this button, and after that Waterfox will check and check if there are any new updates, and if there are any, it will show you that these are available for download so that you may download and install these. And you may also select the automatical update installation here, guys, which is you can select it if you like. I will leave it at check for updates so that I may do this frequently or regularly myself manually. But that's totally up to you guys. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.